Who's this? Who's it from? It's from Nana. Oh, here, look, here's some tape coming off.
You're lost, though.
Bailey, go lay down.
Go lay down.
Go lay down, B. Oh, and there's some more on the other side, Daddy. All right, here you go. Ready, Dan? Go ahead, open.
What's in there? Okay,
Right
ready?
here. What is it?
Ooh, let's read the card. Wow.
Bailey, go lay down, please.
Pretty.
What is all this? Oh. You say thank you, Nana?
Yeah. Not for you.
Thank you, Emma.
It's chocolate. Not for dogs.
What's this? Is this a...
Wow, look at this one. It says, "Grandson, Valentine's Day is a great excuse to tell you how wonderful you are. Daniel Patrick." I've already told everybody else.
You want to try pink?
Love always, Nana and Emma. We love you.
You say thanks,
Wow,
guys.
nice card.
What color's that?
Some of the bubble wrap. Save it.
Okay.
Can you say thanks, Nana? Thanks, Nana. Oh.
We got Hershey Kisses now. 2 bites. 1 bite. Is that yummy? Hey, Dan, is that good? Is that yummy? What else is there? Is this a book? Want to read book? Nope, we like the candy.